What's good, Up Next family? It's your boy Up Next Malin. I'm coming back with another video. Hey man, look, before this video even starts, bro, make sure you click that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, click the like button right now, and don't forget to click that bell, bro. Alright, so do all that before the video even starts, man. Let's get straight into the video. Let's get it. Let's go. What's good, Up Next family? This your boy Up Next Malin. I'm coming back with another video. Hey man, look, today we got the scissors. We got these scissors out. Alright, so today I'm gonna cut some of my dreads. I'm gonna actually see like which one actually need the cutting, and I'm gonna actually tell y'all which one needs the cutting and which one y'all need to stop messing with. Because I know it's a lot of y'all out there who have dreads, and all y'all do in class, y'all just twist. But look, let me show you something. Let me get a piece of my hair. Alright, so look. So you see how this is a piece of hair, right? Now if you see closely, I'm trying to throw my red shirt up so y'all can see the actual ball at the end. Now if you look closely, if you keep going like this, and your hair at the bottom keeps becoming longer, right? And there's also like a little ball at the end. That is not good for your hair. So stop walking around looking like these, bro. Hold up, where it go? Looking like these, hold up. Looking like these, bro. You know what I'm saying? That thin ass piece of crap. And most of y'all be doing it like in front of y'all head. Now, only reason I know y'all do it because I used to do it. I used to just sit in class, just to twist. My dreads be about this long, and then next thing you know it, like one of my dreads be like that long, just cause I'm twisting it, and just cause, bro, look, let me tell y'all something. In a couple more days, that same thing that you just twisted is gonna turn into a ball. It's gonna turn into a ball of hair, and that is gonna mess up your growth on that dread. So if you ever start doing that, you just gonna need to cut that part off. You gonna have to cut that part off, no cap. So I'm about to cut that part off right now. Don't cut too much off. It's just a string. Don't cut too much off. It's just a string, bro. You understand? It's just the part that you've been twisting. Now, if your dreads are tiny, your dreads ain't even came down yet. Like your dreads don't even drop. It's a certain point and stage. If y'all have not seen my dread journey video, go watch both of them. I got like 2 or 3 dread journey videos out, and I'm about to make more for y'all. But look, okay, so like I was saying, if your dreads don't drop, you know what I'm saying, and that is in between the, I'll say the 9th, the 10th month of your dread journey, your dread should be dropping. Your dread should be dropping by then if you got it retwisted. It depends on how often you get it retwisted. I got mine retwisted every 2 months. Now as you see, I got a whole bunch of new growth. No cap, I got a whole bunch of new growth. I'm sitting on at least 2.5 months of new growth. And the thing is with this is, alright, my dreads are already formed. They're already formed. They was already maintained for like a year straight. So I can pretty much freeform them now. Like I can freeform these, and they actually be like, kind of like look like they'll be clean cut freeform dreads, you understand? So they wouldn't be like 4 of them out here. They wouldn't be wigs. They're still gonna be like the dreads, but at the same time they're gonna be freeform because I'm about to build an afro at the bottom, right? And it's gonna kind of look something like Juice WRLD's, but I don't want my dreads to look like Juice WRLD's. I just want my dreads to look regular. I want my dreads to look like me. I want to have unique dreads, you understand? So yeah, so I'm not gonna tell y'all the plan. Y'all might gonna be stealing my plan. So anyways, if y'all want to know like how I'm gonna grow my freeform dreads, just ask me. I'm gonna tell you in the comment section, but I ain't about to broadcast it. But anyways, y'all, yeah, make sure if you're going through the dread journey, bro, and you have little balls sticking out your, like little balls like hanging off your dreads, bro, and I know a lot of y'all know what I'm talking about, bro, you gotta cut them off. You know what I'm saying? I wouldn't even advise you to pull them off. I'll advise you to cut them off, just because of the simple fact, when you pulling, you pulling some more. You're not just pulling that ball, you pulling all this, you know what I'm saying? You pulling stuff from the roots out of your hair, you understand? So if I was you, go home one day, trim your dreads, you understand? Trim them, bro, because if all of them ain't connecting, if you see like you got your whole dread, right, and then you got a string, and then you got some more dreads, you need to cut those off. You need to cut that off. Eventually it's gonna fall out anyways, but you need to cut. I ain't talking the whole dread ain't gonna fall out. I'm talking about the little piece at the end that's gonna fall out. But you need to go ahead and cut that off, bro. It's stunting your growth. I promise you. Look, I used to do that all the time. I used to, I got, you know what I'm saying, my hair long, my hair finally, man, look, you better let your hair grow out. Go to one of my other videos and look how to get your how to trim, how to do all this type stuff to your hair. You understand? So it can grow 2 times faster. But this is another reason why my dreads grew faster than everybody else's. You understand? Just because of the fact everybody had that one dread that was just down here. You understand? It would be a string and then it would just be down here. Y'all need to cut that out. Y'all cut that. You feel me? So if y'all new to my channel, hit the subscribe button, turn on post notifications. Also follow all of my social medias up above. And if you haven't already, drop a like on this video right now. Shout out to Up Next family. Shout out to the people who come to every single video. Shout out to people who got on post notifications. Comment down below so I can check y'all out. But any questions, any comments, any concerns, comment down below. I'm gonna keep pumping these videos out for y'all, man. I'm going with 4 today. You know what I'm saying? I might go with 5, but I'm planning on 4 videos today. You understand? So hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Turn on post notifications. Drop a like right now. I'm gonna catch y'all folks later, bro. Peace.